Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag. If you are playing Rocket League and dealing with lag, delay, hits, freezing or robbing banding, don't worry. First, what causes lag in Rocket League? Lag usually comes from internet issue like high ping, packet loss or unstable connection. It can also happen in your device or console is overloaded. If possible, use a Ethernet wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Wired internet is faster and more stable with reduced lots of lag. You can also go to the Rocket League setting, find making region and choose the region closest to where you live. Playing on faraway server cause lag. You can also unplug the modem and the router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This refresh your connection and can instantly improve lag. Make sure nothing is streaming, downloading or updating on your device or network while you play. If other people are using the internet heavily, like watching videos or game, lag can happen. Try playing when the network is less busy. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.